This is it.
Taste mo nga. Yung laptop mo.
Help me please, I have been kidnapped.
Kidnap talaga. Yung tsura mo ba? Ulitin mo.
Hello guys, I'm here with my own free will. I have not been forced to say this. Alright, we are going to Jollibee, I think. I can't tell. And we're gonna get some food, and if I'm lucky, maybe I'll get some fries. Thank you. Please save me.
Bye-bye.
Please.
Let's go. Let's go na.
Along the beach. It's just that it's very crowded.
Jay, malapit na tayo?
No.
Malayo pa rin?
Yes.
My God, napagod na ako. Where is it? The Jollibee?
It's part of Mang Inasal. You'll just see when you see it.
Pinawisan na ako, Jay. Pinawisan na ako hahanap sa Jollibee kung saan na yung Jollibee na yan, electric na Jollibee yan. Jay, hindi mo naman ako nililigaw, Jay.
I swear I'm bringing you.
Bango naman nun, Jay. Bango, may nihaw. Sarap kumain.
Joking, but yeah.
Sige, ulitin mo yung joke mo. Dali.
There's a Jollibee, and when you take a left when you're leaving Orchid.
Oh. Then?
After that, you get there. It just takes a bit of walking.
You just give me a trip. Huh?
Yeah.
Look, I'm sweating na, oh.
I swear, actually, there's really a Jollibee here. There's no Jollibee there.
Sure.
I swear to God.
Sure ka dyan, ha?
Come on, we should be getting
Tomorrow, malalaman ko yan, Jay.
Okay, go ahead. Yo.
Saan na, Chok? Tapos ang Jollibee saan? Ayun na, nakita ko ng Jollibee. Jay, huwag na pakan yan. Baka ano yan. Kami ay mga suki ng Jollibee.
Yeah, we're here.
Sa Jollibee ka.
Now, how long are you going to wait in line?
Hindi ko makita. Sobrang nang kami. Ano to, Jay? Summer Place Beach Club. Nilak mo nga kasi. Ito.
I've been to London, I've been to Paris, even down to East, Atlanta, Georgia, to Orleans, where you always see the show, just like that, they got me froze, like a Nintendo 64. If you never knew, well now you know. Now you do so the world, I could be chasing the
Ayan, KFC. Jay? Hindi mo sinabi sa akin, layo-layo pala ng Jollibee. Hindi? Hindi for you? Ganda naman ito, Jay. Taste of the ka. There's no activities here, Jay, no? But sometimes there's a day.
Yeah.
There are full of people here.
No. It's like small event.
Just small events lang. Pag ano to, morning, maganda dito, Jay, no?
Yeah.
Lalo na dito, mapuno. Malapit na tayo, Jay.
No.
Malaya pa rin, no?
Yeah.
Feels pain na my foot. Ah, sige, Jay. Don't sleep now, ha, until 5 a.m. ha. You just sleep 7 a.m. in the morning. Right? Okay, pantry. Ito pala yung pantry. Establishment here. Oh, ng Jollibee. Kainin namin pagdating. Ay, pagod.
See the 7-Eleven years ago.
Jay, there's a